Alright, Auto Guy DIY here, coming back at you with another video. So on this little episode, we're going to do the tire plug. This is something you can do in a store parking lot, the side of the road. All you need is a little air compressor like this. You buy it at Walmart. Buy you a plug kit. Now a little tip on these plug kits, make sure to get the plug kit with the T-handle. Don't get the one with the screwdriver handle. That thing is impossible to use. So make sure you get the one with the T-handle for easier use on you. So this thing here was like $5. You see it comes with 5 plugs, so that's 5 flats. So we're gonna get into this. Look, it's the same screw, still in, still holding, still has 30 pounds of air in it. I put 32 in it yesterday morning when I put the screw in it. So this is the little steps that you take to get it out and get it going. Now yes, you're gonna lose a little bit of air. It's not that important. As long as you have an air compressor, if you're at a store where you can get some air. Now, if you're not, just be really quick about it. Like a lot quicker than I'm being. So first things first, we're gonna get this thing open. We're gonna get all of our tools out. Reamer, ream your tire. Plug tool, plugs. So before you get started, always get you a plug out. Right, you don't want to go to war with nothing to fight with. Seeing as they are tacky, they're real tacky. Just get it out like so. The best method I've always used is flatten that end out like so, as best as you can. Work it through. Once you get enough, pull it through. You want to go halfway through. See that? You want to pull it halfway through, just like that. So that's ready to go. Just set that down. You'll be needing that here in a minute. Now, get my pliers. Now you got to understand, you put that screw in here, it ground off the top of it some while you're riding around. So you're going to have to work on it and pull it out. Sometimes it's a pain. You can even do like that. You can screw it out. You got to remember, you screwed it in so it threaded that tire. Then you screw it out a little bit like so. See that? Then just work it out. Take your reamer tool. It's a little difficult. You do that a couple times. Ream that tire a little bit, right? Then you get ready for that plug. All right, and you're gonna have to put a little force into it. Here we go. Wiggle that tool out. Hopefully it stays in there. See that? There it is. Get you something and cut this off. Fill your tire back over there. Done deal. This is Auto Guy DIY, showing you how to plug your tire anywhere. So keep living the dream, doing your thing. Like and subscribe. I'm out.